Want soft, hydrated, glowing skin? Try this game-changing skincare hack. Honey and Avocado Mask. Smash ripe avocado with honey for a powerful, deep hydration boost. Avocado's healthy fats nourish and soften, while honey locks in moisture, leaving your skin plump, smooth, and radiant. More hydration means healthier skin. Healthier skin means a dewy, youthful glow. But here's the real secret. If your skincare routine doesn't include the right natural ingredients, how will your skin truly glow? Changed Skin uses 100% natural, skin-loving ingredients, handmade and perfect for dry, sensitive, and combination skin, to keep your face hydrated, youthful, and radiant. Click the link, grab your skincare must-haves, and let's make your skin look and feel amazing. Follow and share for more DIY skincare hacks to keep your skin naturally beautiful.